Hi, today in front of me TCL 405 and I'll show you how to check battery health temperature with Ampere app on this device. So to do that, we should first get the application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store and in the search bar enter the Ampere. After that, we should get this application, so tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open button to open the app, click to yes agree, be close, and tap to OK on the left down corner. And now we could see here information about my battery temperature, and in my case that's 29.9 degrees. And also we got here more info like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.